tube. This is Slim. I got a couple questions what I've been using as far as connections into all my the distribution blocks and everything like that. What I use these ferrules. You know, you just strip the wire back. This is I use for the aught gauge, and it goes right on. And as you can see, you know, there's a nice clean look, and it makes it where it goes in nice and easy, and it secures down without having to fray the wire. Hold on a second here, pull the screw back up just a little bit. Goes right in. And secures right down. And it's in there nice and tight. This is what I use. It gives me good connection. Don't have to worry about the wires breaking apart later on down the road. Get it all nice and clean. Alright, now make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.